pupunta?
Teta.
Hindi, Holiday Inn. Here's Theodore, looking mad na naman. Masungit, bakit?
Ano po Holiday Inn ah?
Holiday Inn. There's Tasha Marie. Bye-bye. Si James. Tingin ka dito. Si Mami iiwan na natin. Here's the picture of the car while waiting for... Dadaan muna tayong Green Hills, ha? Bababa ko yung computer tsaka yung ano. Okay, are you all ready, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Are you all ready, guys?
Yes.
Mahina naman.
Yes!
Yeah.
Sir, pamilap na lang po.
Sige. First time kasi nitong sandali din today. You're the malikot kong mga anak. Mga promdi. Here's Tasha. Making faces. Saan sila kuya? Nandito na tayo sa room. Anong room number natin, guys? Stoy. 1725. Ito si James, excited na. Sus, is it a cool place? Tasha. Ha, Tasha? Maganda ba itong... James, ba't ka na nag-ubad ng shoes mo? Bababa tayo sa 5th floor. Oh, di magano ka? Hmm? Just close that. That's another, ano. Tapos titingnan natin yung view from the outside. Yes.
Ooh la la!
Look at the city.
It's a long way down.
Yeah, yan. There's James and Tasha. They want to jump.
You crazy? You crazy?
Ha?
You crazy? Yeah.
Ito yung view. Mamaya na natin yan kainin. Anong gusto niyong gawin, guys? Punta tayong 5th floor. Uy, wag mong gagalawin yan. Anything that we touch, ano, we'll pay for it. Yes, okay?